Hi, I'm Clement of UbraPh, and in this video, I am going to show you how to add products into your WooCommerce store. So let's dive right in. So now we're here in our WordPress dashboard. The first thing you need to do is to hover on the Products tab and then click Add New. First, we are going to name our new product. So for example, we are going to sell t-shirt. The next is you'll write a long description of the product in a description section here. So this is where you are going to write the information about the product and make sure to highlight the features and the problem it can solve. So for example, we just have to brand new shirt. And then you have to put a lot of details there so that customers will get to feel and know your. And then next you are going to write a product short description. So usually short descriptions are picked up by search engines, so you have to be very careful in writing short description, and it is very important to optimize keywords and write a compelling copy for your online store's SEO. So now let's add more information about your product here in this product data section. So WooCommerce will let you use different product types, which you can choose by clicking the drop down menu here. So there are different product types: simple, group, external, affiliate product, or variable product. So simple product is a default product which you can add price and stock unit. And then you sell right away. So it's a simple product. And then the group product, it's a combination of simple products. The external affiliate product is the product that you don't directly sell. So if you have an affiliate based store, you can use this to link to an external page. And the next product type is the variable product. So it is a product with variations like the size of the shirt, colors, and more. So in addition, you can choose whether your product is a virtual or downloadable. Choose virtual if you're selling digital products or if you're offering services, and check downloadable if you're selling downloadable products like an ebook. So in the next tab here, we have here the general tab. So this is where you're going to set the price of the product. For example, let's set it to 15, and then you can set the sale price, for example, 10. And then you can choose if the product is taxable, shipping only, or none. So we choose taxable, and then the tax class, it's standards, reduced rate, or zero rate. So we will choose standard for this product. So the next up is the inventories. So we have here SKU. SKU is the unique identifier of a specific product composed of numbers and letters, and it will help you simplify inventory management. So you can set the SKU of the product here, and if you want WooCommerce to automatically update the stock number of your product, you can check enable stock management at the product level. So you have to set the stock quantity. So for example, we have 15 shirts, and then if you will allow back orders, so you can choose here allow, do not allow. So we will allow but notify customer. And then the low stock threshold. This will notify you if the stock of the product goes below the threshold you set. So you have to set the threshold here. So for example, you have to set 2. The next is the shipping tab. This is where you are going to set the dimensions and weight of your product. So weight, for example, 5. And then the dimensions, you have to put it in here. And then the shipping class. Next is the link products. This is where you can upsell and cross sell. So upselling is recommending similar products with higher value and better features, while cross selling is recommending complementary products to the one that your customer purchased. So you can link here different products into your store. The next is attributes. The attributes, you can set here the color option and sizes of the products. So for example, we will add a sample attribute like color. So we can put here pink, black, orange, and then click Save Attributes. Next is the Advanced tab. This is where you can set up here the purchase notes you want your customers to see after they place an order. So if you want to get customers review, just tick this checkbox. And the next thing we have to do is we have to set the category of the products. To do that, we will click here on the add new category link, and then we will add a category t-shirt. Add new category. So there you have it, and category is added. Then of course, we have to choose the perfect image or picture for your products. To do that, we have to click here to set product image and then choose the picture of your product and then click set product image. And if you have other pictures, you can add here in the product gallery. So you have to click add product gallery images, and then you can upload files. So you can, for example, you can add here more shirts. And then when you are satisfied with what you've done here, you can now click publish, and then your product will be published in your store. So let's take a look. Click here view product. So this is now how your product will look like. This is the feature image, and this is the product gallery here. And the description is right below here. And this is where the reviews can be seen. So that's it. That's how you are going to add product into your WooCommerce store.